If you or your clients need reports from Magaya on a regular basis, this video can help you set up schedules for reports to be automatically delivered via email. Hi, I'm George from Magaya. Today I'll show you how to enable scheduling. Then we'll add a new schedule. And finally, we'll configure a schedule to deliver a report. Let's get started. To enable automated report emails in your Magaya software, open the Maintenance folder, click on Configuration, and find Task Scheduling. Select the Reports item here and either double-click it or use the pen button to edit permissions. In the screen that opens, ensure that the Enabled checkbox is checked on for the report's operation, and then click OK. Now that scheduling is enabled, let's add a new schedule. The Report Scheduler uses custom frequency rules to determine when reports will be sent to recipients. Let's look at how to add a new schedule to the list. In the Task Scheduling screen, open Reports again. Here, you can add, edit, or delete schedules. To add a new one, click the Add button and the Schedule screen will open for you to configure the rules. First is the general information. Enter a name in the Name field to describe the frequency or purpose of the schedule. Next, select the schedule type from the Schedule dropdown. You can choose Once if you want a report to only be sent by email once, or you can choose Repeating if you want the email to be sent on a recurring basis. Be sure the Enabled checkbox is checked on so the schedule will be ready to use when you finish creating it. After the general information is done, configure the task frequency. First, select how frequently you want to generate this report by clicking here. The frequency options are daily, weekly, or monthly. If you select daily, the daily frequency options will appear below the task frequency. The Once At setting will send the report once each day at the time you set in the time field. The Every setting can be used if you want to send the report at a specific interval. For example, the report can be sent every 5 hours. If you want to generate the report weekly, select Weekly. You can select if the report should be sent every week by entering 1 in the Every field. If you want to send the report every other week, select 2. You then select the day of the week the report will be delivered. The Monthly task frequency allows you to select either a specific date of the month or a weekday of the month. For a specific date, the Days option should be selected. Check the date of the month the report will be sent, and if the report will be sent every month or any other monthly frequency you choose in the Every field. If you want to send the report on a specific day of the week each month, use the other option labeled The. Then choose the day of the week and the number of the occurrence in the month, for example, the first Monday of each month. There is also an Every field for this option to determine if the report is sent every month, every 2 months, and so on. The Time Span section allows you to specify how long the schedule will be effective. Select a start date for the schedule by using the Calendar dropdown in the Start field. You can then either choose an end date by selecting End and entering a date in the field, or you can choose No End if the schedule should run indefinitely. Once you complete the schedule screen, click Save. You will be returned to the Task Scheduling screen, where you can now see your new schedule in the list. If you need to edit an existing schedule, select one from the list and click the Edit button. The Schedule screen will open, and now you can edit the rules for the schedule. Once you have made any necessary changes, click Save to return to the Task Scheduling screen. Now that we have schedules available, let's take a look at configuring a report to automate delivery. Go to the Reports menu and click Saved Reports to see your list of saved reports. This list has buttons for the reports, including to show or delete a report or to access the schedules. To view existing schedules or to configure a new one for a saved report, select the report from the list and then click Schedules. This opens the Saved Report Schedule screen, where you will see a list of the current schedules for the report you selected. I'll show you how to add a new schedule for this report by selecting the Add button. A screen opens with options to select from existing schedules, choose the format, and set the email options to deliver the report. To select a schedule, open the Schedule drop-down and select one from the list. You can also add new schedules and edit schedules from this drop-down. For this step, let's finish configuring this report using the existing list of schedules. Click the Select button next to the Email Recipients field to open the Send To screen to select recipients from your entities. In this screen, select a type of entity here, for example, Customers. Scroll to find the customer you want and click Add. Add as many as needed. When you're done, click OK to save the list and return to the Configure screen. Next, select a template from the Email Template dropdown. If you don't want to use a template, you can enter a custom subject line into the Email Subject field. Finally, click the OK button to add this scheduled email to the report schedules for this report. You are returned to the Saved Report Schedule screen. Note that this new schedule now appears in the list and it will be sent automatically. Magaya has the tools to automate tasks so you can make the best use of your time and resources. See our other videos and the knowledge base for more on automating tasks in your Magaya software. Thanks for watching!